Lettuce is the star of the lightest and simplest dish in the cookbook, salad. So much so that when we refer to a salad, actually a mixture of vegetables, the only ingredient that is usually given as safe is this. Another thing is what type of lettuce it will be or what ingredients will accompany it. In any case, it is one of the most used vegetables in the daily diet, about which we know rather little. Lettuce, Lacticus sativa, belongs to the Asteraceae family and has been cultivated for more than 2,000 years. Apparently the Romans and even the Greeks already appreciated its virtues and its flavor. It seems that it was first cultivated in India, but this is a controversial topic. In any case, today it is grown in most countries with a temperate climate, as it resists high temperatures better than low ones. Lettuce properties. It provides just 18 calories per 100 grams of edible part and contains water, 94%, cellulose, 0.6%, carbohydrates, 3%, lipids, 0.2%, and proteins, 1%. It is well supplied with minerals, especially potassium, 264 milligrams, 100 grams, calcium, 35 milligrams, phosphorus, 26 milligrams, and magnesium, 16 milligrams, as well as trace elements, copper, manganese, nickel, zinc, etc. It is also rich in vitamins A, 970 mcg, in the form of grotoids, group B. Its folic acid content is 21 milligrams, C, 8 milligrams, and D, 0.06 milligrams. Another substance of interest is lacticarium, a substance that acts as a calming agent on the nervous system, which gives lettuce relaxing and sleep-promoting properties. In addition, it has satiating power. Lettuce properties. It provides just 18 calories per 100 grams of edible part and contains water, 94%, cellulose, 0.6%, carbohydrates, 3%, lipids, 0.2%, and proteins, 1%. It is well supplied with minerals, especially potassium, 264 milligrams, 100 grams, calcium, 35 milligrams, phosphorus, 26 milligrams, and magnesium, 16 milligrams, as well as trace elements, copper, manganese, nickel, zinc, etc. It is also rich in vitamins A, 970 mcg, in the form of grotoids, group B. Its folic acid content is 21 milligrams, C, 8 milligrams, and D, 0.06 milligrams. Another substance of interest is lacticarium, a substance that acts as a calming agent on the nervous system, which gives lettuce relaxing and sleep-promoting properties. In addition, it has satiating power. Health benefits of lettuce. Lettuce has been said to be calming, good for eyesight, insomnia and fluid retention, and even influences libido. Leonardo da Vinci himself spoke about it and its suitability for health. Not all the effects attributed to it are proven, but it has, without a doubt, a remarkable nutritional value and contains alkaloid-type substances that give it a certain sedative effect. Lettuce is an alkalizing, refreshing, remineralizing food. It has hypnotic qualities, which help to fall asleep, and also analgesic against pain. It has calming properties on nervous excitement. It has an aperitif action, stimulating the digestive glands, as well as a mild laxative activity due to its fiber content. Because it drains the liver, it exerts a general cleansing action on the body. It also has hypoglycemic properties, reduces blood sugar, which makes its consumption advisable by diabetics. As it is rich in beta-carotene, it contributes to the prevention of cancer, especially of the colon and lung. Lettuce in the kitchen. Currently we find lettuce all year round, but its optimal moment begins in spring and in some varieties it lasts all summer. Although in our country we take it basically raw, it can also be used to make creams and soups. Even sautéed or boiled it is tasty. The advantage of eating it raw is that without cooking it preserves its nutritional properties better. Lettuce displays its virtues in 1001 salads. It can also be used as an ingredient in sandwiches, potas, crepes or burritos. It also gives a lot of play to make vegetable creams, tortillas, sautéed, and some varieties, such as small ones and quebradas, can be cooked whole on the grill, steamed or braised. Its leaves can be filled with rice, meat or fish, simply blanching or frying the whole leaves. How to use your nutrients well. Although the nutritional contribution of lettuce is considerable, it does not always arrive whole at the table. Taking the following points into account is essential if you want to make the most of it. Buy lettuce in good condition. Lettuce that is blotchy, has broken leaves, or is in overly packed boxes may not be of adequate quality. Choose them seasonally. There are lettuces all year round, but their season starts in spring. Ready-made salad bags are a good option, although they don't have the same value as fresh lettuce. Keep it well. Lettuce should be kept in a cool, damp place, protected from light and air. In the fridge it is advisable to leave it in the vegetable drawer. It is not necessary to join it with apples or pears, as it is altered before. Nor should it be frozen. Avoid prolonged soaking, as a large part of its minerals and vitamins are lost in the water. Take advantage of the greener leaves. Do not cut it excessively. Prepare it shortly before eating. Season it with lemon juice or vinegar. Citric acid and acetic acid have a preservative power that preserves vitamins. When fresh lettuce is consumed, light dressings must be used for the varieties with tender leaves, such as French, very soft, the iceberg, very refreshing and crunchy, and more consistent dressings for the fleshy and curly leaf lettuces, such as Tuile de Labades, Lalo Rosso or Oak Leaf, Roman, Marigold or Batavia, and season them just before serve them on the table so they do not lose their freshness. Purchase and conservation lettuce is present all year round in the markets, which allows it to be obtained fresh. Spring and summer lettuces tend to be richer in nutrients than fall and winter lettuces, due to a greater solar influx. It is advisable to choose those with darker tones, since they are more nutritious. As lettuce has a high water content, it is usually very perishable, so it should be purchased just before consumption and in quantities that do not mean having to store them for more than a week, which is the maximum that is usually kept in the refrigerator.